Hi everyone. If your laptop's battery begins to drain faster after a full charge than it did before, then it may be time for you to check its health. To do that, you can use the Power CFG, a built-in Windows command line tool for managing power plans and their related settings, as well as checking the battery health. So if you're on Windows 10 or 11, click the Windows search icon, type CMD, and then run the command prompt as an administrator. On the command prompt, type Power CFG/battery report, and then /output, followed by the desired location and file name of type HTML of the battery report to be generated. So let's just save the report file in C drive and name it battery_report.html. Then press enter, and the tool will generate the requested report. All right, now open your File Explorer, go to C drive, and you should see the battery report that the Power CFG tool has just created. Now double-click the file to open it using your default web browser. As you can see here, at the top of the report, we will find the information about the installed battery. The three most important pieces of information here are the battery's design and current full charge capacities and its cycle count. A battery's design capacity is the maximum amount of energy it is designed to store when new, while its full charge capacity is the maximum amount of energy it can currently hold. The cycle count is the number of times the battery has been fully discharged and recharged. As the battery ages and its cycle count increases, its full charge capacity will naturally degrade and become smaller relative to its design capacity. For my case here, my battery's design capacity is 34,560 milliwatt-hour, while its current full charge capacity is only about 25,000 milliwatt-hour, which is about 73% of its design capacity, which is still quite okay. The smaller the full charge capacity is, the sooner your battery will need to be replaced. And then if you scroll down to the bottom part of the report, you will find your battery's capacity history, which tells you how your battery's full charge capacity degrades over time. And lastly, you will also find your battery life estimates or history, which tells you how long it may last after a full charge. All right, so that's how easy it is to check your laptop battery's health on Windows without any third-party software. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.